So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake BitDAO tokens BIT on Bybit exchange. Okay, so Bybit is one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. You can create your account on Bybit exchange. So if you don't have account on Bybit exchange, first of all create account. I have given the link in the description. So if you click on this link, you will see this interface. Okay, so here you can just enter your email, enter your password, and here just click on here and click on continue to create your account. So if you create your account through my link in the description, so you can claim up to $4,100 new user bonus. Okay, so make sure to create account through my link. So after creating account through my link, just open Bybit Bybit app. Just download the Bybit app from the Play Store and just download the Bybit application. Okay, so after downloading, just open this Bybit crypto exchange. You will see this interface, and here you can see all the different amazing features of Bybit crypto exchange. Okay, so here just click on Wi-Fi Center. Here you can see the Wi-Fi Center option. Just click on here to stake BIT tokens. Here you can see 4 different options. First is flexible staking, second is dual asset staking, third is DeFi mining, fourth is launch pool. Okay, so here you can actually you have to click on flexible staking. Okay, so just click on flexible staking and you can see all the tokens that are available on Bybit that you can stake. So here right now there are 4 tokens that you can stake, and here you can also stake BTC, Ethereum, USDT, USDC. But in this video I'm gonna show you how to stake your BIT token. So here you can see the BIT token. You will earn 4% APY and this staking will end in 1085 days. Okay, so this staking will be live for 1085 days. So if you have BIT tokens in your account or in any other crypto exchange, just transfer your BIT tokens on Bybit and stake your BIT tokens to earn maximum profit. Okay, to earn passive income. So here is a limit. Okay, so right now there are 69 million BIT tokens are staked, but the limit is 200 million BIT tokens are the maximum BIT tokens that will be staked in this pool. Okay, so if you want to stake, just click on stake now option. Okay, here you can see the stake now option. Just click on here and you can see all the details available. So if you stake now, you will see calculation time will be start tomorrow. Okay, so maximum staking amount you can see this. Okay, so you can stake maximum 200,000 BIT tokens. So their tokens are here. Estimate APY 4% APY, and here you can see the minimum staking amount is 200 BIT. Okay, so you have to hold 200 BIT tokens in order to stake. Okay, so first of all click on transfer. Okay, click on transfer button. Why click on transfer button? Because you have to transfer your BIT tokens from your sport account to BiFi account. Okay, so I have just selected from sport account to BiFi account, and here you can see that I have available for 74 BIT tokens. Okay, so I just click on here. I just click on all. So here you can see all my tokens. So here just click on confirm transfer. Okay, so here you can just click on confirm transfer. So your tokens will be transferred from sport account to BiFi account. Okay, so here you can see it transferred successfully. After successfully transfer, just click on here max. So right now you can see that I have not more than 200 bits, so I have only 74 bit tokens. But in order to stake, you have to hold minimum 200 bit tokens. Okay, you can stake minimum 200 bit tokens. So if you don't have 200 bit tokens, you can buy BIT tokens from Bybit. Okay, so here just if you have more than 200 BIT tokens, you can actually stake. So let's say I stake 1000 BIT tokens. So estimated daily yield, I will earn about 0.1 BIT token daily. Okay, so it will be auto transfer to my account. I don't have to do anything. Okay, so it will be auto transfer to my account. spot account. Okay, so you can earn the passive income for 1095 days, which is amazing. Okay, so after enter your amount, just click on here and just click on stake now option. Because I have no 200 bit tokens, I cannot stake my token. So if you don't, so this is the process that how you can stake your bit tokens on Bybit. So if you don't have bit tokens, you can actually go back and here you can see the markets option. So just here you can see the trade option. So just click on here trade option and just click on here. Okay, so to select the bit token, so here just enter bit. Okay, so you can buy bit token in BTC pair, in USDC pair and USDT pair. So just select any pair. Okay, so I select bit USDT. So here just enter your amount, how many tokens that you want to stake. So if I have 2000 USDT, I can buy 1231 tokens. Okay, so just click on buy bit and your tokens will be buy. Okay, so this is a video that how you can stake your BitDAO tokens on Bybit and passive income. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to create account through my link to claim your $4100 welcome bonus. So thank you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care.